Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about my mentorship program and how you can become my student. Alright guys, so I get so many emails asking me about this, and although sometimes I can't, just take all of you as my students, because like I said in some of my videos, I don't want to take like more than 10 students at the same time. So now I'm actually opening a bit more spots, so I'm gonna take like 15 students maximum at the same time. And yeah, I'm gonna just explain a little bit how my mentorship program works for all of you guys that you are interested and you are email me all the time. So now I'm just creating this video so I can just refer to this video and you guys can know about what my mentorship program is. Right, so in my mentorship program, basically I help you guys with your portfolio, with projects, projects to build for your portfolio, with your CV, how to prepare for interview questions and everything. So yeah, so basically it works like this, guys. If you guys want to start with mostly what I start is I start with a portfolio for my students if they don't have a portfolio yet. So basically in my mentorship, guys, I help you. For example, if you don't have a portfolio yet, I help you build your own portfolio, because this is so important. This is like the first impact that you're gonna make on a company or on a recruiter that you guys are gonna apply for any job. If they are gonna see, that you have like a really amateur portfolio, or if they are seeing that you didn't code the portfolio by yourself, you should, basically guys, you should never put your portfolio as WordPress or anything. If you guys are starting out, if you guys are starting out and you have to prove that you know how to code and everything, you should never grab a WordPress template or anything. You should code everything from the scratch. And this just building your own portfolio website is almost like a project, because you can show them that you can do responsive websites, that many things, so yeah, I help you with your portfolio. Make sure that you transmit the right idea with the right colors, because some of my students, I notice of that they come up to me with some portfolio that with really dark colors, some color schemes that they don't work well all together. So basically I just review it, and make sure that the colors, they work well together. And yeah, after we have the portfolio, basically I go through projects, and in here it's just whatever you guys want. Some of my students, they just want one project. Some of them, they want 3. It's the maximum that I recommend. And yeah, I just give all the tips, so basically it works like this. If you guys want to build a project on JavaScript, let's say, if you want to learn JavaScript, I build a project where you can improve your skills in JavaScript, and this project is really tailored to you. And I send you the link of the project already built, and with all the files that you need for it, like the images and stuff. And I send you, for example, as well, links where you can go and check things to learn about that. Because if basically I'm doing the project by myself and you guys are just copying or anything, you guys are not learning. So whenever I send you this link with the project already built and all the assets that you need, the images and stuff, all of these, and where you can go to grab this file, that file and stuff, or learning about this part of objects, and you are doing this by yourself, and you're gonna see, right, okay, I don't understand this, I don't know how can I build this part, you know what I mean? It's not like you are just following something blindly, and you are not learning anything. When you are trying by yourself, you are really learning. And so I build this project for you, I send you everything so you can build it by yourself, and then for each project I give you 2 hours of Skype calls. Usually they are separate, so you have one day and another day that we can have together. And in here, guys, you can basically just ask me anything that I'm gonna help you go through it, you know. And this bundle in here that I do is like a project and 2 Skype calls. Usually I sell it for $100, and some of you already told me that, oh, Telmo, is too expensive for me and stuff, but you have to see if it's worth it or not for you to do this kind of thing. Because if you're going to university or stuff, that you're going to pay so much money, and in there I know so many people that they go to university and they come out, they don't know how to build a website, or it's ridiculous, and the price that they charge. And in here, when you are, for example, building something with me, that I'm helping you out, understanding everything that you need, imagine that you just like have like 3 projects with me, or even one for $100, that you can build a project and you have 2 hours Skype with me, and I'm helping you out with everything, with your CV, with your interview questions, whatever you ask me, you know. When you land a developer job, you know how much you're gonna earn compared to whatever you are doing now, if you are doing sandwiches like I was doing before. So this is like such a great investment, guys. This is almost nothing. The amount of money that you are putting in, the investment that you are putting for yourself to learn, is nothing, and I'm more than happy to help you with all of these. So yeah, basically, guys, like I said, you can just like build 1, 2, 3 projects. That's what I recommend, you know. But you can just like take as many projects as you want with me. If you want just one. I give you all the tips that you need. And also, something that some of you guys you don't understand yet is that whenever you are putting a project on your portfolio, you need to do some kind of review, you know. Like you need to tell the people who are coming to your website, is not just like going there and clicking and okay, here is the project. No, you have to put this in a way that you explain, for example, companies or recruiters that are coming after you, that okay, in this project I was doing, for example, you can say that you were doing by yourself or with me, whatever you want. In this project I was learning JavaScript, for example, or how to use jQuery, or in this project I was using object-oriented programming, and I was using Ajax, I was using Flexbox. So basically you need to give an overview of what you were trying to do, what did you learn in this project, and so you can just like show whoever is coming to your website, to your portfolio, to check, wow, okay, so this guy knows about this topic because he's talking about this, how we built in this project. And after, even if you are going to an interview, you can just show them, look, this is what I was building in here, and you can just guide them step by step of what you were doing, and it helps you so much, and you will look like an expert who knows what you built. He's not someone who just went to some other website and you stole a project or whatever. Something that you built by yourself and you can explain. This makes all the difference, you know. So yeah, guys, so if you want to become one of my students, you know, my email is down on the description below. I'm really happy, you know, to help as many of you as I can. You know, I do this just as a part-time, guys, you know, because I have my full-time job, but I'm really so grateful to help some of you guys. And in here, for those of you who live in UK, I have like a recruiter friend, you know, that helps me. I already like help 4 of my students to get a job, you know, but they are here from UK, so I know it doesn't work for every place, but yeah, if you are from UK, you have an advantage, you know. So yeah, guys, I hope you could understand how this mentorship works, and if you would like to try, just let me know. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.